Hey, what's up guys? It's Luke W, and I wanted to bring you a quick video talking about the journey that took me just 2 months to go from $0 on Amazon to 10K a month. Now, before I get in that, I have to share with you a little backstory. And the best way I can do that is by showing you the numbers that I had when I basically lost my Amazon business because Amazon restricted my products. So you can see right before I went out there, I had $2,000 in sales in just one day there. And then it just goes blank after that. So that's because I had a product that was deemed a medical device by Amazon and they just wiped my account. So I fought that for quite a while, couldn't get it back in, and I eventually resolved it by just creating a new listing without the restricted keywords. Now, I needed a confidence booster product, and that's the product I'm gonna share with you guys today. And if you stick with me throughout this video, I have a little special giveaway, so stay tuned for the end. And that's gonna be great, but what I really wanna provide you with, the main source of value in this video, is gonna be me hopping behind my computer and actually showing you how I created and devised this amazing bundle that stood out amongst all the competitors. And I'm gonna share with you the product category that I'm currently selling in with this brand new product that's able to make me basically the 10K in a month in sales. And I'll show you the numbers here as I pull it up on my phone. I'm gonna kind of zoom in here and show you. So I had 6 sales today, and right in the corner you can see 10.08K in sales. I can like do the little refresh for you. Okay, we didn't make a new sale in the last 5 seconds since I checked my phone last, but that's kind of where I'm at now. And I just launched this product at the end of October. I remember at a Halloween party, I had a friend there give me an unverified review, and that was the first review I ever had on my product. I've since sent emails out to customers that buy my product and remind them to go to their recent orders, and you'll see, please write a product review, and I let my customers do that. So now I'm at 14 verified 5-star product reviews, which is great, and I'm selling between 6 and 10 sales a day at a price of $43.99. Now, I started at $23.99 and I slowly raised my price up, and now I'm at a point where I'm almost selling out of inventory. I ordered a bunch more units, but I'm raising the price and people are still buying it. So I'm making $22 profit per sale right now, so almost 200 bucks a day passively with a product that took me 1 week to find and order from a supplier. I just looked to find the bundle and made it great. So right before I hop behind my computer, if you guys are ready to see this, please drop a thumbs up on this video and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more than 300 videos of uploaded Amazon FBA content. Really excited that you guys could take the time out of your day to watch this video. So let's go hop behind my computer and I'll show you the product category and how I devised my bundle that's killing it right now on Amazon. Okay, so I'm here at Amazon.com, and here's where the product reveal is gonna come into play. So I'm gonna go ahead and type in party decorations 4 and then press the space bar. And this is a little product research tip for any product you guys ever go out and look for. You see all these suggested keywords. These are niches within party decorations. So if you're selling wallets, you can type in wallet, space, and then see what else comes up. So this is a little research method. But the category my product is in actually party decorations. So I honestly found it by doing this, like literally typing in different letters to find different categories that I could look into and run the numbers for. So stick with me and I'll show you exactly how all that is done. Let's try and find something here real quick. Sweet 16, okay? So this is stuff that sells all year round. I like party kits because I've sold literally like 300 units and I never get returns. I had 1 return and it was because someone said they found better prices elsewhere. And I get that because mine's literally the most expensive party kit in my niche. So first off, guys, we want to run the numbers. So I'm going to go up to my Helium 10 Chrome extension and just go ahead and see how many sales, how much demand. So as I was running the numbers, I just got a text from one of my students. He said he's raising his price and he just can't stop the sales. So he's having a problem actually getting more units in stock before he sells out. I literally did 1 coaching call with this guy and he's literally obliterating his sales right now. So that's just a little shout out to my student here. How bad would it be to not have inventory for a month? So yeah, if that's his case, he will be able to use a two-step URL, which Helium 10 has as well, and you can actually get some sales under that. So I'll share that with him later, and that'll help him boost a first page right away. But let me just click on this and just highlight his numbers right now. I mean, I'm so proud of this guy. Like, holy crap. He was literally selling like 2 a day, and then I said, lower your price, and you're gonna start getting more traction. So boom, now he's getting traction, now he's ranking. So that's a little shout out to him. Sorry that sidetracked us from this video here. So now that we're back in here looking at the sales and reviews, this is what takes the guesswork out of selling on Amazon, because you can see how much demand is in a marketplace for a certain product and how many reviews, which is how much competition is happening here. And actually another little segue out into Helium 10. If you click the link right down below in the description, this is the video I just shot with my dad. I have this Helium 10 link right in the description of each one of my videos. You just click on that, and then you'll come to their homepage, come to resources, press Chrome extension, and you can download this same Chrome extension. Just press download here. You have to be using Google Chrome. You'll have it up here. You get 50 uses a month to run the numbers on certain products. So it's free to use for 50 uses a month. But then you can see here, I'll even sort by the reviews for the highest reviews going down. There's only like 5 people over 100 reviews here. And you can see the revenue, 20,000 a month, 13 grand a month, 19 grand a month. Some people have 3 grand and 1,000. So it's kind of spotty with the sales, but overall the competition is pretty minimal. But I'm going to get to the part where how to devise the bundle and what I did to really compete and win here. So first off, there's a couple of things that go into it. I don't want to go sell just a $9 product. Like, I'm 16, bitches. Like, this little banner is something I want to include in my kit so I can build a big kit. And the bigger my kit is, the more money I can charge for it, and the more money I'll make, and the more value I'm giving to my customers. Because people don't want to just go buy individual things like this one by one. It's going to cost them more money. So I can kind of hover over who's this guy making the most sales. Boom, that's a big kit. So let's click into this, and this is exactly the type of kit that I would want to make. You can see they have a cake topper. They have little photo booth props, which are really popular. They have the balloons, some banner, they have streamers in the background, and pretty much that's it, and they're able to sell for $26.49. Another thing that you guys get with this Helium 10 extension is the revenue calculator. So if I go to Alibaba, which is the supplier who I can buy this identical kit from, they'll probably sell it to me for like $6. So I can put in my product cost, $6, maybe $2 for shipping, so it comes out to $8 total. I'm saying I can make $9.82 after Amazon fees. So that's great to see that you actually have the numbers before you go in and buy a product. So that's just a little disclaimer on how I would do product research to find a market. This isn't one I would particularly get into in the party decoration niche. I mean, I could. Any market here could be possible. And all I'm doing, this is the trick, guys, is seeing these things that will sell really well on their own. Like, I would run the numbers and see, okay, well, this thing's selling really well on its own. It's $10.99. I'm sure that's literally like 50 cents to have made. So I'm going to bundle that. I'm going to get this cool balloon thing. I'm going to have the crown with this and this little sash that the girl can wear. And then maybe do some background stuff like this. So you just pick and choose what bundles you want. And literally, if I come over to Alibaba and say Sweet 16 decorations, like I said, there's the photo booth props for $2. There's the whole balloon kit with everything. There's the plates, everything. This is what I did to make my product stand out. Okay, so I found what was selling really well on its own, separately, and like $20 on its own, and I compiled it into a bundle where if everyone bought those items individually, it would cost them like $60 or $70, and I'm giving it to them for $40 now, which seems like a great deal, when in reality, I literally buy my whole kit from Alibaba. I negotiated pretty heavily, but I'm getting it for $11.09 with shipping into Amazon. So that's really the trick I did. I found a cool niche in party decorations by doing this suggested keyword thing, just like it shows right here. And then I went to find what sells really well on its own. So a keepsake box. I could do the keepsake box with this photo background. I actually did include that with my kit, a nice photo background. And then, you know, some balloons, streamers, cups, tableware, knives, the tablecloth, and then boom, my kit just took off right away, even though people had way more reviews than me and everything else like that. So drop in the comments if this gave you a lot of value for your Amazon FBA business and understanding as a whole how things work, and that'll help me make future videos like this for you guys as well. So I hope you guys can understand the amount of value I tried to bring to you guys in this video. And once again, if you drop a thumbs up, I'd really appreciate that. And part of giving me a thumbs up is going to go to the little giveaway and challenge I'm doing for you guys. So if I can get 25 likes on this video along with 25 comments, I'm going to give away a $25 Amazon gift card. I tried to do this on one of my previous videos and we only got 19 likes. So if we can get 25 likes, that's going to be great. And you have to drop a comment so that I can actually pick a winner from the comments. And that's going to be about it for this giveaway. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I have one more thing before I let you guys go, and that's basically talking about my Amazon course and mentorship. And I know so many people on YouTube have these things, but I'm just really trying to stand out amongst the pack of gurus out there selling these things because I'm actually someone who's going to give you the one-on-one mentorship. And I have over 200 students that can vouch for the fact that I give them my one-on-one effort whenever they reach out to me. I've never had a refund on my course, and I just try and make it that simple for everyone to understand. I just updated the course, and honestly, one of the biggest things that people will face when they buy a course is, and looking for a real mentorship, is they'll buy it from someone with like 30,000 plus subscribers on YouTube, or someone who's just way too busy to even handle teaching them. So when you're thinking about getting into a course, look for someone who's actually going to be there for you guys. And if you check out my Instagram link below, you can go follow me there and send me a message, and I will literally get back to you in probably 10 to 20 minutes. And I'm down to hop on phone calls with you guys, just even as a consultation before you even get into the course. So just to see where you're at and what you want to do with your business and how you want to get started. So that's really what I'm offering to you guys. I've updated the course. It's phenomenal. I've had a teacher with a master's degree in teaching explain to me that my course was just so well done that she was just like blown away by it. You can find the videos you need to sell on Amazon just by watching YouTube videos. But if you really want to go the extra mile and have a step-by-step program that's laid out for you guys with someone that's actually going to get behind the computer, do a screen share, and do product research with you guys, look no further than my program. So thanks a lot. That'll be linked down below. It really helps support this channel and shows me that you guys are interested. So thank you again, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.